guys, Wendy here. Today I am working on my garden hose Caddy. It has a leak here where the short hose attaches, and I'll show you how to fix that. In addition, the hose itself had a leak, but it actually broke off where you attach it. So I'll show you how to attach a brand new hose. And last but not least, I have this cool little gadget. It's a quick release connect set. And this is great for all of your hose attachments, so we're going to cover that as well. So if you look inside here, on this rubber gasket, you can use a screwdriver to pop these out. It just needs to be replaced. So for less than $1, or actually, less than $0.25, depending where you buy them, you can get a new hose gasket and pop it in there. And that might be all we need to do. We could also add some plumber's thread tape, but let's try this first. So I put one washer in, and I'm going to do a test, even though that hose is not connected yet. And if you look closely, you can see we still have a leak right here. So I'm going to try a second washer and some thread tape. So I'm going to add a second washer here. There's different kinds of washers. These are the vinyl hose washers. There's also the black rubber ones, which might be better for this particular spot. But we're going to put a second one of those in. The other thing I'm going to do is put some of this fast tape, sealing tape, around the threads on this little hose. So just put this tape around a few times. It's so awkward. Just adds a little additional seal. So this piece is stationary, unless there's some trick I'm not aware of. This also is a little defective, so hopefully this is going to work. We're going to turn the water on and see if this particular spot is done. It looks good. It looks dry. Okay, so now we are going to attach the new garden hose. So now I'm replacing the hose, the long hose. And if you look closely, you can see there is a metal ring inside of this hose, and it was attached to this piece, like physically attached, and it broke off. So that's broke it completely. So we got a new hose plus. This hose has a couple of faults in it down the line. It's really old. So we did get a new hose. Now we're just going to put the new hose on. Super simple. You literally just screw it on. And it has a nice washer built in. So here's the new hose, and this is the end that goes onto the garden hose caddy. So you can see it's got a nice thick, it looks like it has one thick washer inside there. So the only tricky part about this is making sure you get it on straight. You don't want it to go in a little cockeyed, or you will have a leak. So you just get it on straight. And that's it. As easy as that. The water's on. And you can see there is no leak. The last thing I wanted to show you was this little gadget. It's a quick connect adapter. I picked it up at Home Depot. All you do, squeeze this together. This comes apart. So I can put this end on my hose and this end on, say, my pressure washer, which I'm going to do right here, and show you how convenient it is to have something like this. So you have a pressure washer, and each time you want to use it, you have to attach the hose and make sure it's secure, which is a pain. Or you could get one of these and either leave it in your pressure washer or leave it on your hose for whatever you want to attach it to. And that way, the only thing you have to really crank down on is this end. And then you just squeeze that together, let go, and you've got a secure connection. These quick connect adapters, they eliminate the need for having wrenches around, and it just makes it super easy and convenient. You just squeeze, pop it on, you can take it off while you're using it, and it stops the water from coming out at the same time, and then you could switch to another device. You can also connect two hoses together if you buy another set of these. So they have a lot of uses and really handy and worth you know, less than $10. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back next time. And until then, remember, you can do it.